Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bliss in the house. How y'all doing today? Good. Well, today's video is going to be a super short review of this nail polish that I tried out, and I kind of want to just share with you guys what my opinions are regarding this particular nail polish, and if it's a bust or if it's a burst in a good way. So let's get right into it. You guys, I really prefer nude, natural tone nail polish. However, someone near and dear to me said you need to try something with a little bit of color. So this person chose this particular color nail polish for me. Before I continue forward into this video, I apologize for the noise. My son here is playing ball and he wants me to play with him, so that's him just kind of squeaking down on his toy. So this is what you guys have been hearing him play with. I apologize. Okay, so I got the... Okay, you guys, so this is the polish, and this is by Salley Hasen'S, and this is the Xtreme wear. This is supposed to keep your nails hard and prevent them from chipping or breaking off. So just for reference, if any of you are wondering what color this polish is, this is fuchsia powder number 269. I'm trying to see if I can get my camera to focus so that you guys can see it. There it is. So yeah, this is the color. So let's start with the pros. The color is absolutely amazing. It's amazing. I really like this color. Now on my own, I would not have gotten this because it's just a little too wham bam thank you ma'am all up in your face. But this is truly a beautiful color. Another good thing is that when I wore this polish on my nails, it does keep your nails hard to avoid any breakage. So that's another good thing about this polish. Which is a great thing. Also, you guys, this particular brand of polish, the Xtreme, comes in a large variety of different colors. So I'll try to make sure I post something that shows some of the colors that you can find in the Xtreme, line of Salley Hasen'S nail polish products. I guess it will be considered an affordable nail polish to purchase. Back in the day, I used to just go to the beauty supply store and can buy nail polish for like 99 cents. So $2.69 is a bit much for me. However, I have learned my lesson about buying nail polish that costs $3 or less. But yeah, it is affordable if you're just looking for something more affordable and won't really break the bank. And one bonus thing that I forgot to mention about this particular nail polish, it gives you like this extreme shine. Okay. So yeah, that's it. So I know that a lot of you guys have probably been looking at my hands and like, okay, well, you're talking all this good stuff about this particular nail polish, and girl, your nails aren't even polished. And you're absolutely right. So that brings me to the next point in this video, the cons. Y'all, I'm extremely disappointed because even with a $2.92 bottle of nail polish, I just expected so much more. I am a fan of Salley Hasen'S, but I've never tried Salley Hasen'S color polish, and this right here is mind-blowing, if that makes sense. So what I didn't like, I applied this nail polish to my fingernails and my toenails on Sunday. Today is Thursday. Okay, by Monday, I started noticing a little chipping going on. So this would be like the first day after applying the polish. I noticed chipping. Tuesday, I'm like, okay, something ain't right. I started noticing like this part of your nail, like the bottom part of your nail there. I started noticing nail polish was missing, and I'm like, my nails growing that fast? Can't be. Or could it? Then I noticed by Wednesday I had full-blown hook-rich fingernail polish, like straight cross-stitch fingernails. And I'm gonna post some pictures over here just so you guys can see what my nails were looking like. Now, my toenails, no issue, held up beautifully, no problem, maintained the shine. So I concluded that because I am a constant washer of my hands. Every time I use the bathroom, I wash my hands afterwards. Before I get ready to cook, I wash my hands. After I use a dish, I'm washing dishes, which means my hands are getting wet. So, when I cook, if the heat is too hot, it's probably melting the polish off. I don't know. But straight hook-rich hands, and I'm like, no, this cannot go. I cannot have hooker T nails. No. So I ended up taking the nail polish off on yesterday. So even after that, this is what my nails look like. And I don't know if the camera really captures what my issue is, but it totally just dyed my fingernails. And I don't know if you can really see it. Like, I still got some remnants of pink nail polish, and this camera just not capturing it as good as I would like. Like, I absolutely don't like that. And mind you, my nails are stained, and I had a base coat on before I applied this polish, and it still just stained my nails. That's one of the reasons why I really don't like colored nail polish such as this, because I don't like for it to like dye my fingernails. I'm not feeling it. So yeah, that's why I took this nail polish off, and you guys don't currently see it on my nails now. Will this be a repurchase for me? I gotta be honest with you, it's an absolutely nah. This particular line of Sally Hansen products, no, I will not purchase again. Now, there are other Sally Hansen nail polish products that I absolutely like, and I'll probably do a review of that later in the near future. But no. You do, although, get a lot of bang for your buck. This is a 0.4 floral ounces, and in my opinion, that's a lot of polish for $3 if you want to round it off. If you're curious of the texture of the product, this is before shaking it up. This is what it looks like. And I don't want to get it on my carpet, but it is very thick nail polish. Now, if you shake it, let's see what it look like for you. So after shaking it, it's still really thick. A thick consistency of polish. You can find this polish in almost any major store. So if you've tried the Sally Hansen Xtreme hard nail polish, let me know what your thoughts were. Did you like it or no? Share it down in the comment section with me below. And yeah, that'll be it. And I'll see you tulips in the next video. Smooches. Mwah.